Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. We are in the Treehouse world. We are just taking a tour of it, and as you see, it's really good. And that's the fighting arena.
Sorry about that, person.
That's my house right there. As you see, this is like the hallway for like everything.
And I'm the person on the stairs, and that's my house.
Yeah, that's his house, by the way, and
that's where we're staring above.
And his fighting arena is right there, and that's the floating tree island, as you see.
Why is there a chest out there?
I don't know, but who cares? That's the ice cream shop, that emerald thing. And there's the stairs to the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great time. Please write a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Bye.